Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect MemberPress to WooCommerce for membership strategy detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect MemberPress to WooCommerce, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Ensure you have both the MemberPress and WooCommerce plugins installed and activated. Next, navigate to the MemberPress settings. Click on the Integrations tab within the settings. In the Integrations list, find WooCommerce and click on the Activate button next to it. After activation, you will see new options for integrating both plugins. Go to the WooCommerce settings by clicking on WooCommerce in the dashboard menu. In the WooCommerce settings, navigate to the Products tab. Select the Membership subtab to see the MemberPress options. You will need to create a new membership or edit an existing one in MemberPress. When creating or editing a membership, scroll down to the Advanced Settings section. Here, you will see an option to link this membership to a WooCommerce product. Choose the WooCommerce product you want to associate with this membership. Once linked, save your changes in the MemberPress membership settings. Now, go back to WooCommerce and set up the product that will sell this membership. Make sure to configure the product settings to suit your needs. Set the product type to simple product or variable product based on your membership strategy. In the product data section, ensure that the membership is linked correctly. Next, set the price for your membership in WooCommerce. Customize any additional settings, including stock status and shipping options if necessary. Once everything is set, publish or update your product in WooCommerce. Next, test the integration by going to your site and attempting to purchase the membership product. Check that the membership is properly created in MemberPress once the purchase is completed. Ensure that members receive the correct access and benefits as defined in your MemberPress settings. If everything works seamlessly, your integration is successful. Finally, regularly check both MemberPress and WooCommerce for updates to maintain compatibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.